Hello family and friends. Hello YouTube. Thank you for tuning in. My name's Matt, the creator of Clearlight Media. I hope you'll join me for adventure, inspiration, travel, helpful products and reviews, and the whatevers and whatnots, small and great, of daily life. Each video features original music. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment. I've been using an Insta360 ONE R for the past year as my action cam of choice. I love it so much I got a second one. To go with the Insta360 cams, I got a couple of their motorcycle mounting kits and a motorcycle. Come explore Thailand with me through the lenses of my Insta360 cameras. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned to Clearlight Media. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment.